Hi, welcome to the next episode of our Every Minute is Precious series. Today we just have a recap of what we had talked about in the main cerebellum videos. The intrinsic pathway of apoptosis being activated by increased mitochondrial permeability resulting in release of cytochrome C, followed by activation of apoptosis activating factor 1 resulting in the formation of a hexamer of apoptosome. Then we have an initiator caspase of the intrinsic pathway, which is going to be caspase 9. I hope you remember the trick. When you write 9, then you're going to be having the word intrinsic over there. This is going to be followed by activation of executional caspases 3, 6 and 7, and they are responsible for causing death of the cell. In the extrinsic pathway, you are having an engagement of the TNF molecule with the TNF receptor. There is going to be an activation of the fast associated death domain, and then you are going to be having the role played by the initiator caspases 8 and 10. The memory trick over there, when you write extrinsic, so you are having E for 8 and you are going to be having 10 being represented as this. Again, responsible for causing activation of the executional caspases and finally causing cell death. Right? Now, once you have remembered this, you just need to answer a simple question in the chat box. Which particular virus is going to save itself by inhibiting the caspase out of the given 4 options? The hint for you, this virus utilizes what we have talked about in the main videos, flip protein. See you soon.